In order to join two seal pans together for a double install, we have to expose the female dovetails on the second seal pan, and we do this by removing the lip here on the second seal pan. Once you have the lip removed on your second seal pan, you now join the two together by interlocking the male and female dovetails. We then take our clip, and the two seal pans are now secured together. Now that you have the two seal pans joined together, we need to size them to fit the rough opening. No tape measure needed, simply slide the seal pan into place, butting that end against that stud. And since we're going to be using the end cap, we will simply cut the seal pan flush to the inside of the rough opening. Once you have sized and you have the seal pan cut down, you will now come in, drop your end cap in place, and check the fit to make sure that no additional trimming of the seal pan is needed. Remove the seal pan from the opening and apply your caulk. Once you have caulked the subfloor, set your seal pan in place, and we will now fasten to the rough opening. Once you have the seal pan fastened into the rough opening, permanently join the two together through the dedicated screw locations. Now that your seal pan is installed and everything is fastened, using center seam tape provided, you will apply it where the two seal pans were joined together, making sure to smooth it out and get it into all the grooves. Once your seal pan is installed, you've got your center seam in tape. Because we used the end cap, we only have to use our flex tape in one location. Because you have elected to use the end cap with your VersaPan seal pan, you will have to trim this bottom hook off of Endura's Z-Series nosing in order to apply. Once you have removed the bottom hook from your Z-Series nosing, you can now apply to your seal pan.